Say good morning, Freddie. He can't hear me, he's deaf. So I decided to take Freddie out in the big yard to start our day off. What do you guys think? It's kind of, waiting for him to slam into me. He's been known to be a giant butt in the yard. But he's being pretty good. He keeps running at me. But then he stops, so he's being so good today. No. Your butt. But I'm trying to get him to play with his ball, but he'll chase after it, but he won't come and bring it back. But he's being so good. He's being such a good boy. Yes, he is. Okay. This is the ball that I gave him. It looks really different in the camera, guys. It's orange. Oh, shit. Go that way. No. What that? What that? Other way. There you go. Look at that. Oh, look, he actually picked it up. Oh, my God. What you got? What you got, happy boy? No. He's such a stinker sometimes. See, oh, excuse me. He's acting like a puppy. I gotta take some pictures, guys. Hold on. What are you doing?
Looks like he's got a spot for a ball on the butt.
What?
Look, see?
Oh my God, he does. What the heck?
Good boy. Tell you to jump. Come here, Ace. Ace. Come here. Ace. Ace. Look. Over. Over. Yeah.
Yay.
Good boy. Good boy. Ace. Come on. Through. Through. Good.
Yay. I don't know why everybody's got to run into the bathroom. Howie was doing that.
Through. Oh, here. Through. Good boy. Good boy. Let her sniff a little bit before.
It's fine. I gotta go pee right in the middle of your video. Moxie!
Come on. Come on.
There she is.
Here's my girl. Good girl. Yes. Oh, you want that? Go get that. Go get that.
I've never seen them.
Really?
No.
Oh, yeah. They're like almost like those goldfish.
Oh, are they?
We had a couple in that pond.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The
I've
koi.
never seen them.
Brenda was
Yeah.
bringing koi.
We have koi in here?
Now, I don't know about here, but we did in
Oh.
the other pond.
Oh, really?
Brenda was bringing koi food.
Oh, was she?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the little guy. He's here in it.
What you doing, sweet pea?
I don't know if I can get video of them. Oh! She's like, dang it.
Do this to my daughter. You won't have to.
So, I'm going to say goodnight for today. So, goodnight. Please subscribe and press the like button at the bottom. Good night.